Welcome to this quick guide on how to view sent invitations on LinkedIn. If you're actively expanding your professional network, knowing how to check your sent invites is super useful. It helps you keep track of pending connections, manage your outreach, and clean up any unanswered requests. LinkedIn's interface changes from time to time, so let's walk through the updated steps to find your sent invitations. First, open the LinkedIn app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom menu. You'll see a few icons there. Tap on the My Network icon. This is your central hub for managing connections and invitations. In the My Network section, you'll see different options for managing your network. Look for and click on Grow, then Invitations. This will take you to a list of all your invitations. Here, you'll typically see two tabs: Received and Sent. Select Sent to view all the invitations you've sent to others that are still pending. In the Sent section, you'll find a list of people you've invited to connect, along with the date when you sent the invitation. This is a great way to keep track of who hasn't responded yet. From this page, you can also withdraw invitations if you've changed your mind or want to clean up your sent requests. Just click the Withdraw button next to the person's name. Keep in mind that if you withdraw an invitation, you won't be able to send another one to the same person for about 3 weeks. Managing your sent invitations is more than just a housekeeping task. It gives you insights into your network's responsiveness and the effectiveness of your outreach strategy. Regular monitoring helps prevent the accumulation of unanswered requests, which is important because LinkedIn has limits on the number of outstanding invitations you can have. By withdrawing old invitations, you free up space to connect with new people. Also, consider personalizing your invitations. Instead of using the default connection request, add a brief note explaining why you want to connect. Mention a shared interest, mutual connection, or something specific about their profile that caught your eye. Personalized messages stand out and show that you're genuinely interested in connecting. That's it. Now you know how to find and manage your sent invitations on LinkedIn. Keeping your network tidy helps you make the most of your professional connections. Thanks for watching, and happy networking.